Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our 19 Ford Explorer Sport. Very nice vehicle. Come out of Phoenix, Arizona. There you can see it's got the front camera. It's a Sport, lots of options. 3.5 V6, which most of them have 4 cylinders. I think you almost have to get to the Sport or the Platinum to get to the V6. Dual power seats, 2 keys with remote start. Has the adaptive cruise control, 84,890, heated and cooled seats, also has navigation, memory seats, heated rear seats, does have the bench so you can seat 7. You can see that is heated down there. There's your back seats, and then of course the moonroof. Body's in very nice shape, being from the south. Obviously, we don't have any rust issues. There's your power hatch. It is 4-wheel drive, of course. And then it has the power fold stow for the third seats also. Said a few little, maybe like here's a few little small little scratches here. That's all you're going to see on it. No big dents, no rust. Very, very nice shape. Comes with our 12-month, 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty, which covers drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, electrical, AC. So very nice shape, very highly optioned, great looking Explorer Sport with the black wheels. 605-692-7010.